My disciple, I sense the presence of the Chainsaw Devil on Earth.
Thankfully, Soundwave was able to track him down thanks to the help of his new human collaborator, Makima.
Makima is insanely powerful. She has the power of the controlled devil and will make anyone follow her orders. Good job, Soundwave and my disciple. Once we capture the Chainsaw Devil, not only will Cybertron be ours, but when we absorb his power, Earth will tremble to its knees as the Decepticons reign supreme.
Yes, my master.
Soundwave, send you and Barricade and Makima to capture the Chainsaw Devil. Tomorrow, the Autobots will have no idea what's coming to them. Don't worry, Makima is listening, and she knows exactly what to do.